time I'm coming, we fall. Rock bottom, been the same.
I'm not getting in the fucking bag. No chance, Carl. Get the fuck in the bag. I'm not getting in the bag.
We need to go.
Yeah.
They can shotgun it.
No,
I did.
I already said I'm
I
shotgunning.
can't shotgun it. Don't get out of here. Stop.
Then get in the bag.
No. Get the fuck in the back, bro.
No.
You're so childish.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Should I get in the back?
Give me one legitimate reason.
I get anxiety.
That's bullshit.
I'm gonna take all your clothes up.
Is this guy okay?
Legit fucking hurt.
Get out of the way, fat cunt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Idiot. No, I bet idiot.
Good.
Yeah, bro.
Not enough, poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me.
Holy fuck.
Not enough, poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going on a trek to Belmore Falls today. It's this really big waterfall, and we got around a 40-minute trek until we get there. There's the waterfall just there, if you can see it. We finally made it. And this looks insane. Up at the waterfall.
Brody summer bod coming in.
And that just about wraps up Belmore Falls. We're all leaving now. We're gonna go get some lunch. We stood up there on those rocks. The water was absolutely freezing. Like, it literally made my legs go numb. This place is crazy. Definitely want to come back another time. This is huge. Oh!
Holy shit, that hit like a brick.
Going to Robertson's Pie Shop for a feed. Yummy, yummy, hungry, hungry. This trek is deadly. Finally made it back. Finally just made it home after dropping everyone off, and the trip there and back was really muddy and dusty, going through like dirt trails and stuff. So my car got quite dirty, so I'm just gonna give it a wash right now. Car is now all nicely washed. Now I just gotta dry it off. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. After Tom and I finished having a little session and swim at the beach, we went to the shops and actually bought a pool because summer has started and every day is going to be like 35+ degrees. So next few videos with this pool are going to be heaps of fun. If you guys did enjoy this video though, please show this with respect, and I'll see you guys in the next one.